Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mari's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to be using some clear polygel as well as some colorful sprinkles to put together a fun candy-themed nail art look. So, if you're interested in learning how to put this look together for yourself, just keep on watching. So as always, we're going to be starting off with clay on nails. And I asked you guys on Instagram whether you wanted to see this look. I got these sprinkles from Marks & Spencer and I was so excited to put this together, and you guys seemed excited as well. So here we are. These are the colors of the sprinkles that we're going to be using. They look so much fun and they're very tasty as well. Along with that, we're going to be using some clear polygel as well as some dual forms. I just thought it would be a lot easier to put this look together with dual forms. So first off, we're gonna start by sizing the dual forms and picking the right size for each nail. And after that is done, I'm gonna apply a layer of base coat to all of my nails. After that has cured, I'm gonna take my first dual form and I'm going to apply a small bead of polygel, and then I'm gonna smooth that all over the nail and spread it out pretty thinly. After that, I'm going to take my sprinkles and I'm going to deposit them onto a little tray, and using my wax pen, I'm going to place them onto the polygel on the dual form. Now for this nail, I'm not really following any type of design. I just kind of followed the pattern that the sprinkles would be in the box. So it's all over the place and random and colorful, but I really like it. After I'm satisfied with how I've placed them, I'm going to flip the dual form over, place it onto my nail, and cure it. After that has cured, I'm going to also apply a thin layer of polygel on the underside of the nail, and that is to protect the sprinkles from bleeding and from losing their color. For the next nail, I'm going to once again apply a small bead of clear polygel, spread it evenly and thinly all over the dual form. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pick the colors of the sprinkles that I like and start depositing them onto the nail. So as you can see, for this nail, I followed a striped kind of pattern where I changed between white and pink sprinkles. After finishing your design, you're going to once again place the dual form onto your natural nail and hold it down while curing it. And after that is done, you're also going to apply a thin layer of polygel to the back of the nail. The reason why you don't want to use a very thick layer of polygel is because the nail will become too bulky and the sprinkles will just completely drown in the polygel. And while you want them to be protected, you don't want to overdo it so the nail is not too thick. And for this nail, as you can see, I'm going with a daisy pattern. Since I had white and yellow sprinkles, I thought it would be really cute to try and make a flower design. And the little blue sprinkles were supposed to be clouds, so I hope you can kind of see it. Once again, I'm going to be placing the dual form onto my nail, and I do hold this down while curing them, at least for a few seconds. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply some polygel to the back of the nail. This is going to also add a lot of strength to the nail, since we added a very thin layer of polygel in the beginning. So once again, repeating the same method with the polygel for the next nail as well. And then I'm also going to be making another like randomized sprinkle nail with whatever colors wherever. I like this a lot, it's super fun. And then once again I'm placing it onto the nail and curing it. and applying some more polygel onto the lower side of the nail. Now for the last nail, I wanted to go ahead and make a colorful design, but not completely random like the previous one. So as you will see, I went ahead and picked different kinds of beads and started making stripes with them. And I tried to make the colors as diverse as possible. So with the colors that we had, I was just placing yellow, then orange, then blue, then pink, like all over the nail. I really like it. I think it's super vibrant and perfect for spring. And after that was done, I just placed it onto the nail, once again cured it, and added a little bit of polygel in the back. So this is the perfect time for me to show you what's on my other hand. This is a cute little floral design that I put together the other day, and it's available with pictures on my Instagram for you guys to see. So make sure to follow me on there for more designs. So now it's time to remove the dual forms, and this is the most satisfying part as always. These came off pretty easily, and I really like the reveal underneath, it's so cool. So in order to file them and shape them, I'm going to be using this new gel bit that I got. And I wanted to test it to see how well it goes through the polygel, and I'm really satisfied. I got it from AliExpress for super cheap, so I'm always glad when something this inexpensive turns out to work so well. Of course, you don't have to use a drill. It's super easy to do this without any file, as polygel is super easy to work with and file. So afterwards I went ahead and I buffed the shine from the nails, and I'm gonna be using this beautiful silver color to add some details. So I just went with those very popular squiggles, and I thought they matched this look really well since it was candy themed. So in order to complete the candy theme look, I remembered I had these beautiful 3D gems, and these little donuts are just so cute. I freaking love them, so we just definitely had to use them in the video. And I don't think I've ever really gotten the chance to use them before, so this was a perfect chance. And I also came across these 3D molds that I used to use when I was doing acrylics when I was a lot younger. So I thought that they would be so cute for this look. So I just went ahead and I mixed some colors right into the mold, and I spread them out with the help of a dotting tool. I also added some blue for the base of the candy cane. And after curing that, I added the layer of base coat and just popped it out of the mold. And I'm really satisfied with how they look. They're super cute and colorful. I also went ahead and I made another more purple one with the exact same technique. And after that was cured, I went ahead and I applied some Vanillisa nail glue onto the middle finger, and I put down the big donut charm. And then with some more nail glue, I went ahead and I positioned the candy canes that we just made, one on the thumb and one on the ring finger. I just like them so much, they're so cute. I also decided to add some caviar beads around the lollipops. And now it's time to add the top coat and see how beautifully they show through the polygel. I really think that they look so cute with all the additions and the silver polish and the gems, they're so cute. I also went ahead and I added a layer of clear polish on the bottom of the nails. Since we're using clear polygel, I just wanted to make sure that they're as see-through as possible. And after those were cured, we're gonna go ahead and add some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. We're gonna rub that in afterwards. And here they are! I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting this together. It was actually a lot of fun working with sprinkles. And I really hope that if you decide to give this look a try, you will tag me on your Instagram posts so I can just take a look at them and share them on my page. So yeah, leave me a comment telling me what you thought, subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday, and like the video. And I will be seeing you guys again next Tuesday with another video. Bye!